How to fix Telegram not loading messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, check your internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Telegram. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on the update button. Then go back to the home screen. Now scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Telegram. Tap on Telegram, click on force stop. Now go to storage uses and tap on clear cache. Now restart the application. I hope this would fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.